Hello everyone. In this video I will give you an overview of SmartForms from a client setup to the end user experience. In the Pia Admin Portal, click on the SmartForms feature. From here, you will see the portal setup in which can be fully white labeled. You will notice the headline, introduction, and primary colors can be set. You also have the option to add your own logo. I also want to point out that the portal is built out of iFrame, so it can be embedded into existing portals. In the bottom section is where you can set standard ticketing defaults. However, you do have the ability to customize each form. In the client setup, you can enable SmartForms per client. Also, you can drill down to toggle forms on and off per client. You can also set your primary administrators from this screen. Each login is tied to their Microsoft 365 account, eliminating additional logins. I will show you more on user administration when we access the client portal. In the Forms section, I will be using the account lockout automation as an example. You can see I have already set up my ticket stamping rules by changing boards, setting types, subtypes, and items. This is where the AutoTriage feature comes into play. Once the ticket has been created, Pia will read the ticket and use its machine learning model and AI components to route the ticket for us. The configure setting is where we enable ZeroTouch Automations. This lets Pia know that it can run the automation on its own. Once Pia does the work, we can then have a tech or dispatcher review the ticket and close it. So let's run through the end user experience to show you how all this works. This is what the client portal would look like to your end users. You can see there are multiple forms to choose from. As the portal administrator, I can manage user permissions from this setting. You can add and manage users with certain permissions and forms. Let's simulate the client experience and run a form. In this case, we gave a user permission to unlock accounts. Choose Confirm and Pia will start preparing the form. Just a note, you see retrieving information from your directory. Pia performs live queries and does not save or cache any data. It is always reading on the fly. Next is a drop-down menu to pick the user account. At this point, a ticket has been created in your PSA. Using the ZeroTouch feature, Pia will run the automation to unlock the account. Also, once the ticket hits the board, Pia will read the ticket using machine learning and the AutoTriage will run. So let's go to the service board and take a look at the ticket. Once I refresh, we will see the ticket Pia created. You will note the summary description, account lockout, logged by me via SmartForms. As a tech or dispatcher, I can go into the ticket to review and close it. What we will see here is that Pia has run its full automation. We see the activity log, and if I drill down there, I can see the Delta sync has already been performed. And on the left, you will see the ticket has been triaged. Think about the time savings not only for a tech, but for your dispatchers or service coordinators. SmartForms is the next generation of Pia, bringing AutoTriage and ZeroTouch automation together to crush tickets. In our upcoming videos, we will deep dive into creating your own SmartForms. Thanks for watching, and make sure to sub our YouTube channel to get all the latest content. We will see you next time.